Is your Wi-Fi slower than a turtle walking through peanut butter? You're not alone. But don't worry, because today I'm going to share 50 effective hacks to supercharge your home Wi-Fi. Let's get right into it. First up, the basics. Reboot your router. I know, but you'd be surprised how often this works. Just unplug it for 30 seconds and plug it back in. Next, check your router's placement. Don't hide it in a cabinet or behind the TV. Put it in a central, elevated location, away from walls and obstructions. Think of it like a light bulb. You want its signal to shine everywhere, and keep it away from other electronics like microwaves or cordless phones, as they can cause interference. Now let's get a bit more technical. Update your router's firmware! Manufacturers release updates to improve performance and security, so check their website, log into your router's admin panel, and see if you can change the Wi-Fi channel. Your neighbor's Wi-Fi might be on the same channel, causing congestion. Use a Wi-Fi analyzer app on your phone to find the least crowded channel. While you're in there, switch to the 5 GHz band if your router supports it. It's faster and less crowded than the 2.4 GHz band, though its range is shorter. Let's talk hardware. Those little antennas on your router? They matter. If you have to, point one vertically and one horizontally. This helps devices connect, whether they're held upright or sideways. If your antennas are detachable, consider buying bigger heat-gain ones. They can seriously boost your signal range and clean your router. Dust can cause it to overheat and slow down. Is your router ancient? It might be time for an upgrade. A new router with modern technology like Wi-Fi 6 can make a world of difference. If you have a large house with dead zones, a mesh Wi-Fi system is a gift. These systems use multiple units to blanket your entire home in a strong, consistent signal. Alternatively, a Wi-Fi extender or repeater can help, but be aware they can sometimes cut your speed in half, so use them wisely. A power line adapter is another great option. It uses your home's electrical wiring to extend your network. Let's optimize your devices. Disconnect devices you're not using. Every connected phone, tablet, and smart bulb takes up a piece of the bandwidth pie. Prioritize your most important devices using your router's quality of service or cost settings. This tells your router to give your gaming console or work laptop priority over, say, your smart fridge. Also, check for bandwidth hogging apps running in the background on your computers and phones and close them. Let's do a quickfire round for the remaining hacks. Use a wired Ethernet connection for stationary devices like PCs and gaming consoles. It's always faster and more stable. Secure your Wi-Fi with a strong password to stop neighbors from stealing your bandwidth. Limit the number of guests on your network. Change the default router name or SSID. Clear your browser's cache. Use an ad blocker. Update your device's network drivers. Scan for malware, as it can slow down your connection. Check your internet plan. Maybe it's time to upgrade to a faster one from your provider. Reposition your furniture if it's blocking the signal. Did you know water and mirrors can disrupt Wi-Fi? So, avoid placing your router near an aquarium or a large mirror. A DIY signal booster can be made with a bit of aluminum foil or an old soda can. It sounds crazy, but it can work. Check the cables connecting your router and modem. A damaged one can be a bottleneck. Limit automatic updates on your devices or schedule them for overnight. Turn off autosync for cloud services when you don't need them. If you have a smart home, create a separate guest network for your IoT devices to reduce congestion on your main network. Disable older, slower wireless protocols like 802.11b on your router if no devices use them. Reduce the number of devices connected to a single Wi-Fi extender. Use a dedicated gaming router if you're a serious gamer. Check for parental control settings that might be limiting speed. Disable your VPN when you don't need it, as it can add overhead. Phew, that was a lot. We've covered everything from simple reboots to advanced network tweaks. Try a few of these hacks, and I guarantee you'll see a noticeable improvement in your home Wi-Fi speed. Let me know in the comments which tip worked best for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.